Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I finished my day of work and a little bit tired, but mostly it just I want to have a change. I want to entertain myself. So I went to local stores, and sometimes I go to this store, sometimes I go to another store, but they are within my affordable range, so makes me happy. And this place has opened a new coffee shop, and it's very pretty design and looks very spacious. It just makes me so happy to see something new, something different. A lot of time when I am tired or when I feel that I run out of inspiration, I go to local stores. And it does not cost much money if I just suddenly have a sudden rush of buying something. I can buy a detergent, I can buy a hand soap, and as a teacher, I always have some student gift, coffee shop cards, so all in good use, right? So I just want to share with you, if you feel lonely, if you feel tired, maybe just a change of scene and look at the pretty shop, look at the outside construction, and imagine the life inside these buildings. There are so many romantic stories, there are so many dramas in it. I was just sitting there and looking at it, and in my own mind, imagine the life, imagine the people there. Yeah. So I hope this video can bring you something to relax on or to reflect on. And this is a voiceover video, and I usually go to different places, just take some picture. Anyway, phone is on my hand, take some picture, take some video, very short, and later on I clip all this together. I will show you how I make this video, okay? Yeah. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Cuckoo, bye bye. Okay. Hello, dear friends. So here's the screen. Maybe you feel it's not comfortable because I put it horizontal for the camera to see, or for the screen for your laptop to see clearly. Okay, you go to iMovie. On the app, the last one, the star one, is the iMovie. I press the iMovie, and now here are the old movies I have made. We will start a new project. Press the last one on the bottom, start new project. Not magic movie, not storyboard. The last one, movie. We are going to make a movie. Once we press it, there will be all my medias, my pictures and my private life all here. So you can choose pictures or videos. I will go to media because this one is from very long time ago. Usually it's by date. See May 28 on the right corner, you will see. No, I will go to January or something. So I put all the video that I will use, I pre-select, put into an album. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth of this, the number 4 is album. I will press the album. It comes out all the albums I have. I have my class OOTT watercolor, and this one I just randomly give it a name, whichever one you like. I name it TikTok. Sometimes I use TikTok, make TikTok video. So I put into one place, easy for me to find. So here are the videos I have already put in, and I usually like to, and the number 1 is not from this date. The video is actually starting from ding 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 ding. These 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 video footages are the one that I will use. But if I choose this way, it will choose according to the order of my press. This one, the very first one, will be the first. I do not like it. I select, deselect all of them and put number 1 at first. Which one is number 1? I want my face the first. I want my face the last. So first one I choose, and then second, third, and then according to the order, this one, this one, this one, and the very last one, I will say bye-bye to you. So my face, pinch my face. Now I have selected all the video, select, then I will create iMovie. So here I am, and you can take a look. Some of the video are too short. I think I can quickly go through it. Oh, this one is completely wrong. So I will delete it. So you will go to, why this is not? Because the highlight yellow is in the transition. So you put the highlight on this one, and this one is about speed. We are not working on speed. You will choose that scissors and use this pair of scissors to cut out this yellow blocked. And this yellow blocked is not good. Now let's see this yellow. See, that is not good. We select it again, and to the very bottom right corner, right lower corner, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 things for us to choose. Split, I do not split. Detach, I do not detach. Duplicate, I do not duplicate. I will delete it. So that one is gone. And another thing I can do for this transition, I can make it a little bit fancy. I will make it for mobile device. There is only dissolve. There is only one way. You do not make it much more fancy than this. But you can make it longer. Now, here on the left side, you can see left bottom 0.5 second, 1 second, 1.5 second, 2 seconds. I will choose 2 seconds. Let it go slowly. So you can see, and I am slowly morphing into the shop. If I make it short, 0.5 seconds, let's see, I will jump in. Zing, I jump into the shop. I do not want to jump in too fast. I make it 2.0 seconds. This is the longest that iMovie mobile device can allow us to do. So I put 2. This one you can put 2. This one you can put 2. Anyway, that's it. And this video, the total video is 2 minutes. And I feel it's too short. I need to talk long. So I can delay this, or I can slow down this. There is a clock. After the scissor on the bottom left corner, scissors, we can cut it out. We do not use scissor, we use the clock. And if we press to the rabbit, it will be very, very, very fast. See? If we put into the turtle, it will be very, very, very slow. Let's take a look how it moves. It's almost no moving. And I put it, this is the normal speed, 1, 2 blocks behind it. So it's just a little bit delayed, not too much. If you make it too slow, the transition, it's each picture, make it very choppy. We make it very, it's just not a pleasant eye movement. See, this one is not yet that choppy. And if you make it up to 3, the movement feels quite strange. 4, it's picture, picture, picture. Because this is slow movement, so it does not show that much. So I usually make it not too slow, not too fast. Another thing you need to know, when you have this sound, here there is sound. You can see 1 on the bottom left, the third one is sound. And this will become very strange sound. If there is a one person talking in this video, it will become like this. Hello, dear friends. So it becomes like ghosty sound. There are times, there were times I forgot it. And there will be, in the future, there will be time that I forgot it. So make sure that beforehand, if there is a video, there will be sound. I put the sound completely, disable the sound. The sound becomes 0. The sound becomes 0. And if I have some not people talking or just walking in the nature, it's okay if you do it a little bit slow, and the step will be chong, cha, chong, cha. A little bit ghosty, but not so scary. And the bird will be change into. Anyway, you get the idea. I will disable all these sound. Press the wrong one. Disable all the sound, including this one. Maybe including this one, because I am yeah. So that is about it. Now what we do, we will add voiceover. So you press the plus sign on the left side. On the left there is a plus sign. Math teacher, hello. We put the plus sign. You can put moment, you can put new video, you can put new photo, you can go to album to choose, you can put background. We do not need any background. We are so good. We are the best. So we do not need anybody else. You can put audio, you can put camera, which do video again. Use the camera as use the phone as camera to shoot, or you can put voiceover. Let's see if we put sound, audio, it becomes soundtrack, it becomes sound effect, bling bling, applaud, brrr, all these sound. We do not need, we only need voiceover. So we add voiceover. I can talk forever before I press the red record. Once I press the red record, there will be a countdown, 3 countdown, and then I will need to talk. Let's do it. I am pressing the record. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. I can accept it. That is good. And that is how I make this video. And then it's all good. I am done with the project. Now I need to upload, to save video, share video, export project. I usually share video and share to save to files or save video. If you save video, it goes to your photo album. So you can choose from the photo album. Or you can save to file if you have a particular file place. I just save video. And it will take, oh, battery level is low. Okay, I will continue. Even if it is low, this is only 1 or 2 minutes video, I can continue. Then it's exporting. Do not touch. At this time, at this moment, you will not do anything on top of the screen. If you press, it will fail. You will need to do again. I do not touch it, and it will just, you will just let it go. Hold on, have a cup of tea, go for a walk. 2 minutes later, it will be finished, right? So we are waiting. Okay, saved to export it to your photo library. Okay, you did a good job. Now I go to my photo library, completely out of the iMovie app. We go to photo library and the latest one. Okay, where is it? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Okay, photo library. What is going on? Okay, go to, okay, all photo. Yes, okay, you go to all photo, and this is the last one we just did. Okay, this is the second time I do it, actually. Okay, so that's how you make iMovie. You make video through iMovie. If you have any question, let me know. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo. Bye.